Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So internet is not working your system. So how to fix? Means showing this earth icon, no internet access. So guys, there are a lot of methods so to check your internet. Okay. So firstly you go to control panel, CONT, control panel, network and internet, network and network, change adapter setting, and sometime he automatically disable, so you check enable or not. So when running internet, so we need to enable, so right click to enable, then again right click to click properties, and double click to IP version 4 and select automatically, and then okay, okay, and then close. Then guys, go to setting, network, internet, ethernet, select to public, so select to public and then close. Then guys, open driver management, so open file explorer, my computer, this PC, click to more, click to manage, and guys click to driver manager and internet. So guys, this is actually this one, when wide area network, mini port network, and this also. So this is very important, Intel Pro 1000 Mbps and desktop adapter. So guys, you can update. So I already checked, that size I'm already showing the up to date, and then click to scan. Guys, then you check your LAN port is working or not. Okay, so in your system like desktop, we are, if you are using laptop, so backside LAN card light blink or not. If you blink means this LAN is okay, not blinking means your cable, otherwise connector is not stable. So please check LAN. Okay guys, bye bye, take care. Have any issue, please comment me, I will support you.